Bankruptcy is a legal process designed to help individuals or businesses get a fresh start when they cannot pay their debts. At its heart, bankruptcy addresses insolvency, which simply means your liabilities exceed your assets and your ability to pay them back. There are several ways to file, but most individuals look at either Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 processes. When you file, an automatic stay stops creditors from calling you, while a court determines how to resolve your outstanding balances. Chapter 7 wipes out most unsecured debt by selling assets, while Chapter 13 creates a repayment plan to help you keep property. Filing for bankruptcy significantly impacts your credit score and remains on your credit report for 7 to 10 years. It is important to remember that bankruptcy is a legal tool designed to resolve systemic financial hardship, not a reflection of your worth. Consult with a qualified attorney if you are facing financial distress. Educational content, not financial advice. Subscribe for more basics.